Welcome to Ignite Wheels. Subscribe Ignite Wheels channel for the latest bike updates and reviews. Today, we bring you the all-new 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050, a game-changer in the motocross and off-road segment. Design and styling. The 2026 RM-Z 1050 sports an aggressive and aerodynamic design, combining sharp body panels with lightweight materials. Its frame geometry is optimized for high-speed cornering and rugged terrains. The new LED headlamps and sleek tail section not only enhance visibility but give it a modern, muscular look. The ergonomic seat and handlebar placement ensure comfort during long rides and intense off-road action. Engine and performance. Powering the RM-Z 1050 is a 1,050 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled DOHC engine that delivers exceptional torque and acceleration. Suzuki has integrated advanced fuel injection technology for better throttle response and efficiency. The bike features a 6-speed gearbox with a smooth clutch system, making it effortless to handle both technical trails and open stretches. With a reinforced chassis and upgraded suspension, this machine offers precise control and stability at high speeds. Suspension and handling. Equipped with inverted front forks and a fully adjustable rear shock, the RM-Z 1050 absorbs bumps and jumps with ease. The wide knobby tires ensure superior grip on dirt, mud, and gravel. The bike's lightweight aluminum frame enhances agility, making cornering sharper and rides more dynamic. Safety and technology. Safety is upgraded with dual-disc brakes, ABS optimized for off-road, and traction control for challenging surfaces. The digital instrument cluster provides vital info like speed, gear position, fuel level, and engine diagnostics at a glance. Price and availability. The 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050 enters the market as a premium off-road contender, combining raw power, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Pricing starts at competitive levels, aiming at riders who demand performance without compromise.